So today we're going to be making some Jamaican blue coffee. I got this one from Roos in Ann Arbor, Michigan. They roast some excellent coffee over there. Single origin, small batch coffee. They don't have this available all the time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up some water. We're going to put some filtered water in here. Let that boil. Next thing we're going to do is prepare our pour over. So I got 2 mugs over here. Got a Kalita pour over with some Kalita filters. Put that in there. Let's go ahead and open this up.
It smells pretty unique compared to some of your other roasts.
So you want to put about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. I usually just eye it. The water has just been finishing boiling. You could always add or remove some coffee for your next pour over, depending on if you like it a little darker or a little lighter. So we got about 3 tablespoons in there. Let's go ahead and do the initial pouring. Here you just want to wet the coffee, let it bloom a bit. Okay, let's go ahead and finish brewing this. Alright, we got the first one finished brewing. We could probably make another cup with that, so let's go ahead and do that. Well, that one's brewing. Let's go ahead and try this one.
It's a very smooth coffee, not bitter. I would highly recommend trying it. They said this one's really popular in Japan, and they buy about 80% of the stock when they finish growing. So go ahead and try it.
This one is the Roos Roast 100% Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee.